We need you to study, do well in school, explore everything from the infinite reaches of space to the microscopic smallness of the atom. Like Dr. King said, we must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. Let us broaden our coalition, building a confederation not of liberals or conservatives, not of red states or blue states, but of all Americans who are hurting today and searching for a better tomorrow. And then, amid all the concerns of those heady and dangerous days, Washington took time to reflect on the infinite value of what were then called the elegant arts. Even then, he foresaw the essential role that the arts and the humanities would play in the formation of our country's character. And if
to be seen as people of infinite potential.
After the 94 election, I said the American people in their infinite wisdom have put us both in the same boat.
The warm oceans, and again, this year is a 99% chance of being again the warmest year on record after last year and the year before. The warm oceans are providing a nearly...
John Kerry has spent an infinite amount of time trying to negotiate with Russians and Iranians and Gulf states and other parties to try to end the killing there.